Hi guys, it's Russ from Hit the Trail. Thanks for joining me. Probably wondering why I am standing here in a climbing helmet. Okay, so the reason is we were contacted by a scout group in Horsham, West Sussex, and they asked us would we be able to help them get some new equipment, some new climbing equipment. They have an indoor climbing wall and they were looking to update all of their equipment, make sure that it's complying with all the latest health and safety, because safety is at the is very important. So the request was for 10 Panga helmets and gym harnesses. So this is exclusively only available for groups. It's not available for outside of groups, and it's designed to be easy to put on, clear, and make it easy for the instructors, and also extremely safe. So just to show you the gym harness, in case you've never seen one, this is a gym harness. It doesn't have any additional loops. It's purely just for straightforward climbing on a climbing wall. You've got different coloured leg webbing so that you're able to tell the participant, put your left leg into orange, put your right leg into grey, and then obviously you pull it up and you pull the waistband, and then as an instructor you would go around and make sure that it's all secure. The helmets are Panga helmets. Again, these are specially designed for groups. They're one size, and inside this folds up. The reason why it folds down is so that you can easily stack all of the helmets. Like I say, this folds up, and when you put it onto the participant's head at the back of the hat for ease of sizing, it has these two straps, and you just pull these and then that tightens around the head. Like I say, this is great equipment from Petzl. If you're watching this and you're a group leader, or maybe you're an instructor, maybe you work in a D&V centre or a school or college, and you're looking to get additional equipment or new equipment, please get in touch. We're really happy to help you with that. We will get you the best prices we possibly can. We come from a scouting background, and we want to make sure that all youngsters have the best equipment to work with, giving them the best start and making their experience really good. If you'd like this video, please subscribe, and then you'll catch all the next videos as they come out. You'll see all of the equipment that's going off to different groups around the country, also reviews and new equipment that's coming into the store. Give us a like, we really appreciate it, and drop us a comment. If you do want to get in touch, please, you can do it via comment, or please drop us an email on the website. All the details are there. Thanks guys, see you again in the next video.